Gene, you delivered on your promise to entertain us. This was a perfect speech for Silicon Valley. Is there anybody in the room who doesn't know somebody who's in a startup? Anybody at all? And many of you have been in startups. One person, haven't talked to Gene about what it's like. From the point of view of crafting a speech, you had fabulous humor. I particularly like your use of the stage, in time, chronological, as well as different places. This is an interesting use of both time and location as you wandered across the stage, very creative. And you delivered on a project plan that at one level was silly, but gave us both the fulfillment of the assignment as to what to do, and also kept us rolling in the aisles. I could leave it there. I could say, great speech, you're fine, but this is next step. This is next step. So I want you to think about Karen's speech and its relationship to what you did. What I heard from your speech was logistics, pure logistics. And then at the very end, the very last item was this risk about, well, maybe he doesn't really want to do this. That's an emotional reaction. That's traditionally in the realm of what Karen calls women, but it's really just the emotional side of us. And I saw that missing from your speech. The first thing in putting a team together is develop a vision and get people enthusiastic about the vision. So the risk management is on, all right, he might not want to do it, but why would he want to do this? Are you just dragging him along and forcing him? Or can you get him enthusiastic and excited? Can you find out what his resistance is from the beginning? And then you can pull the execution plug and say, all right, well, we're going to do this, and this, and this, and this. So in a way, the speech is great, but it's missing the heart. Missing the realm of the heart. And I don't know, Karen, if this is the kind of thing that you're talking about, but I saw basically somebody focused on very practical logistics. And only at the very end is a second thought giving attention to emotional reactions. One of the things that I find in leadership is that if you're a good leader, there will be an emotional reaction to whatever you're doing. And if you're not getting an emotional reaction, it probably means you're not leading sufficiently, or people are not telling you the truth. So dealing with those emotional reactions from the start and having your speech talk about it, you can make those funny. You can talk about, we told them about clothes and he said, do you want me to buy clothes or something like that? I mean, there are many ways that you can build humor into the emotional reaction, but then you have both the brain, intellectual, rational side and the emotional heart side united in your speech. And that really makes you a great project manager. Congratulations, I really enjoyed it. And too bad I'm not going to be able to see your next week because I have another meeting that day.